Welcome to Bike Shift, where cutting-edge machines and future-ready technology take center stage. In this video, we explore the 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2, India's next-generation indigenous fighter jet designed to deliver greater power, range, and combat capability than ever before. The Tejas Mk2 represents a major evolution from the original Tejas Mk1 and Mk1A. Built on the experience gained from years of operational service, the Mk2 has been redesigned to meet modern air combat demands. It aims to bridge the gap between light fighters and heavier multi-role aircraft, giving air forces a highly flexible and cost-effective solution. One of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 is its more powerful engine. With higher thrust output, the aircraft promises improved acceleration, better climb rate, and superior payload capacity. This enhancement allows the Tejas Mk2 to carry heavier weapons while maintaining agility, making it effective in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The Tejas Mk2 is expected to feature state-of-the-art avionics, including an advanced AESA radar system. This radar significantly improves target detection range, tracking accuracy, and electronic warfare resistance. Combined with modern cockpit displays and a fully digital fly-by-wire system, the pilot gains exceptional situational awareness in high-threat environments. Designed as a true multi-role fighter, the Tejas Mk2 can perform air superiority, strike missions, reconnaissance, and close air support. It supports a wide range of indigenous and international weapons, including beyond visual range missiles, precision-guided bombs, and smart munitions. This versatility makes it suitable for both defensive and offensive operations. Compared to earlier variants, the Tejas Mk2 features a slightly larger airframe with increased internal fuel capacity. This results in extended combat radius and endurance, reducing the need for frequent mid-air refueling. Aerodynamic refinements further enhance stability and control at high speeds and extreme maneuvers. The 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 plays a crucial role in strengthening self-reliance in defense manufacturing. By focusing on indigenous design and production, it reduces dependency on foreign aircraft while boosting local aerospace innovation. It also positions India as a potential exporter of advanced fighter jets to friendly nations. The 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 stands as a symbol of technological progress, combining power, precision, and versatility in a modern combat aircraft. With its upgraded engine, advanced avionics, and expanded mission capability, it represents a bold step forward in the future of indigenous fighter aviation. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more deep dives into machines that shape tomorrow.